Come on. mission of this train ride is to get you to the protection of our refugee center, which has been designated as Area 12. Now, there are trained Area 12 personnel on each train car. We've begun setting up a perimeter throughout the woods surrounding Area 12. This will prevent any of our affected friends from entering the safe zone. Now, I assure you, there is absolutely no reason to worry or panic. Nothing gets on this train without my authorization. This trip will go as planned, and we will have you within the safety of Area 12 in no time. Looks like your train is ready to depart. Once again, remain seated and keep all body parts inside the train cars at all times. I can't afford any more casualties tonight. Is that clear? Enjoy the ride.
See me okay? Alright, good. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Edward Nelson here, lead scientist at Area 12. And just wanted to reassure you that you have absolutely nothing to worry about. We have eyes and ears on you at all times. So if anything approaches the train or comes at the train, we will take care of it. And we will get up here to Area 12 safe and sound. Promise.
This toxic junk. Somehow it is easily transmitted from person to person, and once it gets inside you or on you, it begins to take effect immediately.
Sir, here are a few photos we just received of the contaminated victims. And, sir, I have some more bad news for you.
Well, what is it?
It seems that the contaminated victims have a strong hunger for human flesh.
If any of you see any creatures or mutants that look like this, make sure and yell out and let your Area 12 worker know immediately. Heavy-duty perimeter walls that Area 12 and some of our nation's finest have begun setting up. And in a minute. Has anyone checked the south perimeter wall lately? We got a wall down! There's no need to worry, folks. This is just a minor problem. It seems like just a few of the infected persons have gotten inside. We're going to take care of this immediately.
Alright folks, here's what is about to happen. We're going to make a quick stop at this military checkpoint, get everybody checked out, all the Area 12 personnel. Everything should be fine, but we have nothing to worry about. Nothing could possibly go wrong.
All right, everybody, nothing to worry about. Standard procedure. We got to make sure this train is clear before it can pass through to Area 12. So, Area 12 employees, you know the drill. Single file line through the scanner as quickly as possible. We want to get this train passed through. All right, go, go, go. Come on, guys. First person to the scanner. Let's go, go, go. Come on. All right, you're clear, you're clear. Next person, come on through, come on through. You're clear, you're clear. Come on through. Next person, next person. Hey, 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 hey! Hit him with the gas! Hey, get down here. Get down. Get over here. Get off of me! Hey, get on the train. Get this train to Area 12. Get over Get this train to Area 12. Tell the scientists I sent you. I might need backup, okay? Go, go, go. Don't worry about me. I'll take care of this. How did you get infected? Go, go, go. Hey, hey! Go, go, go.
Area 12 are crawling with these infected persons. Now would be a good time to keep your arms and heads inside the train cars. Approaching Area 12, it looks like everything's under control. No need to worry, ladies and gentlemen. We have an extra set of walls built around this fortress. None of our infected friends will be joining us tonight. That is, except those in the cages, containment units out front. Now, along with the refugee center, we've set up a testing facility with the Center for Disease Control. The CDC is here to figure out the specific cause of the outbreak, and I'm sure they will quickly find a cure. All right, everyone stay seated for now. We're gonna check the perimeter and then we'll unload the train if everything is safe. And if you see any of these skinny maggots, you make sure and yell out. Let us know. Area 12 personnel, this is W.N.C. He's our lead scientist out front near the containment units. He will give you further instructions on what you will be doing.
All right, everybody gather around. My name is W.N.C, lead scientist here at Area 12. Calm down there, Betty. Now, everything is A-OK, all right? We've been running some tests, monitoring the heart rate and the blood pressure. So far, we know they like to eat flesh. And that's all we got so far. But don't you worry, folks. We got everything under control. Who's that? Something we don't have under control. Everybody inside! Go, go, go!
Stay in there! Are you okay now?
Sounds like a CDC laboratory van got in the way, but we can't stop now. It's too dangerous. Besides, some of those things had plenty of time to board the train back there. Looks like we're gonna have to scan everybody on board to make sure nobody's infected. But it's just a precaution, folks. There's no need to panic. Yet. believe this, but several people on each train car have been infected. And right now I see there are only two options. Option one, we try and decontaminate each train car and everybody on board. But if the decontamination procedure fails, I cannot allow this train to return to town and risk infecting more people. So, option two, we blow up the train. On board has been cleared. Let me radio my men and I'll tell them to hold their fire. Tango Romeo platoon, stand down and hold your fire. I repeat, hold your fire. Do not blow up the train. Blow up the train.
You heard it, man. Fire in the hole.
Looks like those rockets just barely missed you. You're gonna make it out alive after all. We'll discharge you passengers back in town. But for now, stay seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Wait for further instructions from Area 12 personnel before you exit the train.